seconds. No good.
Palo. Palo.
Second attempt. Good. De Vera tatawid ng bola. Pasto Soriano. Nilabas ang bola. Pasto Rosario to De Vera. 10 seconds to shoot. Manawis tumira. Easy 2 points. Iba na ang matinik sa board. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds for the end of the last quarter. Basa. Tumira, easy 2 points by jersey number 6, Basa. Score 55-54. Lamang ang may alam. 59. 10 seconds to shoot. Rosario, sasagasa. Easy 2 points by Rosario. Then remaining 4 minutes. Foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 13. First attempt, no good. That's your third personal foul by jersey number 13. Manawis. Second attempt, no good. Wala pass. Wala high pass by jersey number 24. Steal by Soriano. Gawin the ball, Soriano. Pass to Rosario. Easy 2 points by jersey number 7. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Bola ng team Bukid. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds for the end of the last quarter. Rosario poposte. Pinupos ng Sarsiga. Manawis. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Garcia. Steal by De Vera. Sumbal sa ere. Wala. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 6. Basa. That's your third personal foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Score 55-63. Lamang ng 8 siyam Team Bukid. Garcia magtatawid ng bola. Get ready for the next game. Garcia tumira ng 3. Ito pa De Vera. Pasto Cordova. Lumiyak. Wala. Follow up by jersey number 24. Easy 2 points. Get ready next game. Team Hermanos versus Batas ng Looban. Fernandez tumira. Wala. Rebound by 1. Pasto Bravo. Pasto Soriano. 10 seconds to shoot. De Vera. Pasto Bravo. Basa. Last 2 minutes for the end of the fourth and last quarter. Bravo. Pasto Cordova. Easy 2 points. Foul by jersey number 24. Sabre. Papasok ang papasok, lalabas ang lalabas. This league is brought to you by Likas Papaya ni Bindo. Get ready, next game. Team Hermanos versus Team Batas ng Looban.
Number 3. Marla. Marla, oy. Wait.
Sa break, no sa
Marla.
no, no sa one. First to Bravo. Foul. Who's foul rep?
Sa tama.
Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds for the end of the last quarter. The score 55-69. Lamang natin 5 ang Team Bukid.
Grow, tirain mo!
Tagal. Nagawa ni Cordoba.
Tira!
Time remaining 50 seconds. Time remaining 35 seconds. Time remaining 20 seconds. Get ready for the next game. Batas ng Looban versus Team Hermanos. Time remaining 20 seconds.
Shut out.
Hey yo, what's up?
Shut out kay Bato.